Well, guys, I got this brand new air pump that I ordered off of temu. It just came in the mail. Let's open this thing up and see what's going on. We got 4 lines. These to stop the water from going back into the air pump. 4 lines, 4 air stones. Different sizes. I got the biggest one. Oh dang, this thing is huge. Look how big my hand is. And look how big this air pump is. It's like a video game. Control knob, control the air. Less air, more air. That's a cool feature. So guys, I am gonna hook this up to the 220 gallon aquarium, and you guys will see this on my next video, which I am going to do an update on the 220. I'm not trying to show it right now because I'm still waiting for more things to come in the mail. But for right now, look at this, guys. I'm excited to see what this thing could do. Alright, make sure you guys like the video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you got the notification bell on, because when I drop this tank update, I want you guys to see this thing in action. And then maybe you will buy one yourself.